let's do a 4C hair wash and go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Foxy Faye and I'm going to be playing in my hair. So right now it's just in 2 flat twists, and I'm going to add gel like I did in my last video. That one's going to be more thorough than this one, but I'm going to add gel, take a shower, and then let the water actually drench my hair and then show you what it looks like. The last time I didn't because I thought I had stuff to do, but this time I guess today I got time, so let's see. So this is my hair. I didn't add any water to this side, only gel. And it looks like it helped prevent a lot of the shrinkage that I usually experience. So I think I'm just gonna stick with gel only. And this is the difference. So we have one side here, one side here. Stay tuned, let's see what happens. I'm gonna need to try out some new looks. Of shedding I get when I do my hair like this. There's not much because I don't use a comb, I just use my fingers. Okay, and now I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm gonna let my hair get drenched by the water. Not drenched, but it's gonna get wet from the water, and then I'm gonna show you the finished results. You can stop here if you like, you know, the way it feels, the way it looks. Let's see if we can gauge the shrinkage when I allow water, you know, to stay on my hair. So it's originally not going to shrink up that much, and then after a while it's going to shrink up a lot more because once the water's in it, it weighs it down, and then when the water dries out, my hair tends to shrink up or coil up. Okay, now hop in the shower. So this is how it looks after I let a decent amount of water touch it while I was showering. I usually just take the water, put it in my hands, and rub it through my hair, and then the gel, I don't know if it activates or what it does, but then my curls start, you know, getting juicy.